Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Visual Studio installation error on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error on your Windows, then do not worry, let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So first is we need to make sure that our Windows is updated, or we can try to update our Windows. So click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update. And here you'll find this button right here. So there is only one button right here. So you just have to simply click as to what the button is suggesting or instructing you. It could be check for updates, retry, restart, download and install. You simply click on that. And after you have updated your Windows, then you need to try installing the Visual Studio again. Now for the second method is if you are using any third-party antivirus software, like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, which are the commonly used third-party antivirus software, then we can try to temporarily disable that. So on how we can do that is you just need to simply click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. Here you can find that I am using the Malwarebytes. So in your case, it could be any of the third-party antivirus software. Just simply make a right click and then select quit. So by clicking on the quit option, that will temporarily disable the antivirus. So once you have temporarily disabled the antivirus, then you just need to simply try installing the Visual Studio again. And for the final method is we can also run the System File Checker Scan, or commonly known as the SFC Scan. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Command prompt on the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here in this elevated command prompt, you need to type SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, hit enter. So this is the System File Checker Scan. This will scan and fix all system corrupted files, which is a very helpful fix. Now while the process is going on, is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize this window by clicking on the minimize button, but you should not close it. And then you can just simply go back to it, and once this is 100% completed or the process has been successful, close out of here, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after restarting your Windows, then you just need to simply try installing the Visual Studio again. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.